Hi friends, welcome to Chandra's Food Delights. My today's recipe is yet again a summer dessert. On a hot summer day, all of us would crave to have something like this, and that is called faluda. Faluda is a combination of faluda save, sabja seeds, which is supposed to be a cooling agent for the body during summer, fresh fruits, dry fruits, and there are different variants of faluda. My today's recipe is banana custard faluda. Let's see how to prepare banana custard faluda. And before that, a kind request to everyone, those of you who are viewing my channel, please subscribe, share with your friends. Our ingredients are ready to prepare faluda. We are going to straight away start with the preparation. I have heated the pan, adding 500 ml of full cream milk. Allow it to get heated in low fire. Side by side, I have kept another pan for heating, adding a cube of butter. Once the butter starts melting, adding half cup of vermicelli. Fry it to golden brown color. Switch off the fire and keep it aside. Once the milk gets heated, take 3 spoons of milk. Keep it aside for making the custard. And now we are adding the fried vermicelli to the warm milk. Keep on stirring so that lumps are not formed and the vermicelli is just cooked. Don't overcook the vermicelli. I have taken 3 teaspoons of brown and wholesome vanilla custard powder, adding that to the milk which we have kept aside. Keep on stirring so that it gets dissolved in the milk. Take care all the lumps are dissolved. Keep that aside. Now once the vermicelli is almost 3/4 cooked, let us add half cup of sugar. I had taken 3/4 cup, but I added only half cup. It's up to you. If you want to have more of sweet taste, you can add little more. With half cup, it was tasting okay for me. Keep on stirring, and now we are going to add the custard mix to the vermicelli. Keep on stirring continuously so that it thickens. See to that no lumps are formed. Keep on stirring, and once it comes to a thick consistency, switch off the fire. Transfer it to another bowl and keep it inside the fridge for 1 hour so that it thickens. See, I have taken it out from the refrigerator. It has come to thick consistency. Wow, it looks so yummy. So now we are going to layer the faluda. I have taken a big glass, long one, preferably long one. I have soaked 2 teaspoons sabja seeds for half an hour, and after that it has just swelled up. So first layer up with the sabja seeds. On top of that, let us put the vermicelli custard. Place the sliced banana pieces on top, and again layer it up with sabja seeds. Now the correct quantity and all we can't say here. It's up to you how much you want to add the bananas or other fruits or the sabja seeds, like that. Add the vermicelli on top. Place few of those tutti frutti on top. Garnish it with sliced dry nuts. So our banana custard faluda is ready. You can try different variations like adding mango pieces, adding apple, adding grapes, and also with the nuts, you can try out with cashew nuts and walnuts. All of you try making the banana custard faluda and put in your comments. It is so very yummy and tasty, rich, and very cooling during this summer. Enjoy having the faluda, which is made at home during the summer season, and have a nice day.